I'm Alan Heppel of Custom Marine Solutions Proprietary Limited. We specialise in marine services including boat carpet, upholstery, canopies and clears. Today we're going on site to get some 3D data of a boat so that we can map out the carpet so that later on we can use software to reverse engineer it and make the pattern to cut it out. Renovations we've been doing for probably 5 or 6 years, and more recently, about the last 12 months, we've been using 3D scanning technology.
So today we're bringing the new EinScan Libre, which is our newest 3D scanner. The scanner is completely wireless with its own built-in screen. The scanner is also capable of doing marker-free scanning and is very suitable for scanning large objects, as you can see behind us.
Our previous scanning solution was not ideal in outdoor lighting situations, but mainly it was because we had to lug around a fairly big laptop, lots of cables, power supply, etc., which proved to be quite challenging when working, for example, on a boat flybridge, which might be 10 metres in the air. So we use the scanner to basically go to site so that we can scan items in a boat, for example the clears or the canopy or the carpet, and that way we can take that data back to our office and we can reverse engineer it and flatten out the design to make the pattern so we can produce the product. The purpose of using the scanner is so that we can actually use the software to determine how much of the material we need to order, but also because the scanner is much more accurate than manually tracing the items, there's less chance of error, so it saves us having to go back to site multiple times.